let's say we created all the flow for the outside of the shoulder, like the edges that define the shoulder shape, but now we just need to fill the inside. If it creates a somewhat square shape, then you can just go in here and say grid fill, and it creates the fill automatically. Sometimes it will try to basically follow the shape of it, and sometimes it doesn't do that, so you have to be kind of like wary of that. So it's not as round as it was before, but of course afterwards you can adjust it yourself. This can be especially useful if you know that you're going to use it. So these edges are here. Now you've created the edges right there, you created the edges right here, but now you want to just fill this. All you had to do is create basically these edges right here, all this edge frame you could call it, and now you can just use the grid fill to fill the rest. So you can save a lot of time with this, and that's why I want to show you this, because all you will need to do is create the framework, and then once you have these very clean missing holes that are looking kind of like squares, I guess you could call it, it has a very easy time filling those. It can save you a ton of time.